Yeah.
Yeah, I hit a quick little donut. Just go back and forth.
I'm driving out. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, okay.
Get the fuck out of the way, hoes. Can't see shit.
Oh, let's not go too far. Okay. You good?
Yes, hold on.
Just turn it off and restart it. You sure you want to get out?
Yes, we're good. It's just on the
Okay.
hill. Hold on.
Chill out, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
Chill out.
These hill starts are fun, bro. That's all I'm saying. I am fucking proud there's no hill start. Little mountain action.
Mountain driving in the Fiat Pond.
I mean, we chill. Oh, hello. It's cool. It's cool. We need to find a gas station, actually, as a matter of fact. Cool. I mean, it's all right. The car is definitely. I see why you had a little trouble. The car is just old and it's not really like new manual shit. You feel me? Aga. Wait, what?
Agia Irini.
No, that's not.
I don't know what that is. Oh, don't hit that curb, bro.
Like that little dance.
Keep doing burnouts, bro. Oh yeah, daddy.
Oh yeah, mountain. Performance track. Holy shit, bro. This is so funny, bro.
Well, it's no M car, but
Should we try a little rev match downshift? Oh shit, let's not kill this guy. Let's see a little rev match.
okay, that was not good.
Okay, just a little rough. Dude, this car's ass. Fuck it though, point A to point B, I guess.